Zamboanga City, Chingu. Chingu, so, sorry. So basically, yung organization namin, we're a local fan base here in Zamboanga City kasi BTS has international fan base. So, since wala dito sa Zamboanga masyado, so we created. So internationally, there are a lot, actually biggest fandom in the world. So, they just celebrated their 11th anniversary last June 13. So this is the reason why we made this mini event in a way. So this is actually for a cause, and the beneficiary is from ATO sila sa Santa Maria BSC. So sa kanila actually mapupunta. So they are poorest of the poor community in area in Santa Maria. So basically sila yon nandun at those site. So this is my president para sa organization. So we have other events we're doing pero more for the BTS fans lang siya or army. So are you ready na? Let's start. Alright. Start na po tayo. Okay, find your places, children. Just